How to enable dark mode on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to switch your PC to dark mode on Windows 11. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From there, click on Personalize to open the personalization settings. At this point, click on Colors. From there, click on the drop-down next to Choose Your Mode. After that, select Dark from the options. In the next step, your desktop, taskbar, Start menu, and supported apps will immediately switch to dark mode. From there, if you want only the Windows interface to be dark but keep apps in light mode, go back to the color settings and look for the Choose Your Default App Mode option. Once done, set Windows mode to dark and app mode to light, or vice versa, depending on your preference. Following this, go back to your desktop and open a few apps to confirm dark mode is applying correctly across the system. From here, if you want to add an accent color to complement dark mode, go back to color settings and scroll down to the accent color section. At this stage, pick a color from the palette or let Windows automatically choose one based on your wallpaper. Finally, go back to your desktop and confirm dark mode is fully applied and looking the way you want it across your system. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable dark mode on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.